Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit vlog video on the Vide video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Vide video editor application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. Just tap on new project and I'm going to select the video based since we want to edit vlog video. And for the first video, I'm going to choose this one and the second video as well. Click on next. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut my video. Wait guys, I'm going to trim my video. Okay, and after that, I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to add title. Okay, just click on the text and I'm going to add a heading. I'm just going to type in my daily routine. Okay, just like that guys. And I'm going to change the font. We can click on edit and then click on this icon, and for the font I'm going to select this one, blue cherries. Click on the check mark and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and I'm going to animate my text. We can click on motion and I'm going to select reveal, and for the out animation I'm going to choose reveal as well. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Wait, I'm going to cut it. Okay, and I'm going to add music to my vlog. We can click on music and I'm going to select music, and I'm just going to use music from Vide video editor from the vlog category, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now the music has been added to my video, and then I'm going to add transition to my vlog. Click on this plus button and I'm just going to select this black transition. Okay, for the volume of the music, I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to make my original video louder. For the music, I'm just going to set it around 50. Okay, and for my video, I'm going to make it louder. I'm going to increase the volume. Okay, for this one as well. And now it's done guys, and that's how I edit my vlog using Vide video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.